Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. So this video I bring for you very beautiful videos. I hope you will like it. So if you like it, don't forget to comment me and like this video and press the bell icon that you will get notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. You can see this picture looking very beautiful. This house, you can see the windows opening up and the side looking very beautiful. 3 windows. This one also you can see very beautiful. Where you can sit down, you can see the small the lights, LED lights, and looking very beautiful. The table, you can see the chair, you can see looking very beautiful. This also you can see looking very beautiful. You can see the door, the window mirrors, and all the window looking beautiful. It's also looking very nice. You can see the color of the walls and all, and you can park your car there, and the decoration is very beautiful. This one you can see the swimming pool there, and the stairs there. You can go up and bath there, looking very the beautiful view. This one you can see the window, and the side you can see DJ and all. Beautiful DJ and all, looking very beautiful. And so also you can see very beautiful. You can see the bulbs and all looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the toilet, the bathroom, and the window you can see, and the toilet. Also you can see the with mirror and the lights. You can see bulbs, cupboards, and all with white color curtain and all, looking very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the mountain type house. You can see the window and all, looking very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool, and the down you can see 2 lamps, and you can see it for sun bathing. Very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the stairs and all, looking very beautiful. There you can see the window and looking very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the mirror and all, and the roof you can see silver color. This also very beautiful. You can see the more white color, and the lamps and all, and the small plants and the chair. This one you can see the stairs going up, and the floor you can see good decoration, good design. This also good design. You can see the scope, maybe it's or something, looking very beautiful. This also you can see the lamp, the lights and all, and the bathing area, beautiful area. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, comment me down that I can bring for you beautiful videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.